9 members of a ketum leaf syndicate were detained by the General Operations Force (GOF) during a raid in Tanah Merah today, Friday, January 15th. The 9, all locals aged between 28 and 41, were resting in a house during the raid. Also seized were 131 bags of ketum leaves, 100 bottles of cough mixture, and 5 bottles of ketum juice worth nearly 50,000 ringgit. GOF 7th Battalion Commanding Officer Superintendent Azhari Nusi said a GOF team raided the house at Kampung Batu Sembilan near Batang Merbau about 9:30 a.m. following tip-offs.